30 winning photos of the 2021 Nature Photographer of the Year Awards. Whether it be scientists or artists, or just about anyone else, nature is the source of most wonders, and wonders ought to be appreciated. The photographers, who are just as much scientists that capture important data as they are artists, are probably among the most important pillars that bolster our curiosity and interest in nature. Because of this, they deserve appreciation and acknowledgement for what they do, and it's good to know that they actually get it. The annual Nature Photographer of the Year Award, to which we owe thanks for letting us share the amazing images of these talented finalists, does exactly that. But let's not keep it away any longer, and let's take a look at what this year has brought for us in terms of nature photography. Number 1. Winner. Fred Hazelhoff Portfolio Award, Emotional Range, by Lee Inoue. Number 2. Winner. Black and White, White Wedding, by Roy Gallitz. Number 3. Highly Commended, Birds, Sundance, by Christian Spencer. Number 4. Winner. Animal Portraits, Black Leopard, by William Berard Lucas. Number 5. Winner. Plants and Fungi, Heat of Hor, by Rupert Kogler. Number 6. Winner. Landscape, Dragon's Lair, by Dennis Budkov. Number 7. Runner-up, Birds, Fishing Trip at Sunrise, by Mikel Angel Artis Alana. Number 8. Winner. Other Animals, Walking Along Fennels, by Ruben Perez Novo. Number 9. Runner-up, Other Animals, Slow But Safe, by Ruben Perez Novo. Number 10. Winner. Nature Art, Ice Cell, by Gheorghe Popa. Number 11. Highly Commended, Mammals, Twilight Hunters, by Norbert Kovac. Number 12. Overall Winner, Birds, Winter Migration, by Tari Acolas. Number 13. Highly Commended, Underwater, Water Lilies Marvelous World, by Gail Modric. Number 14. Winner. Nature of Delage Landon, Fox Crossing the Bridge, by Andreas Tigler. Number 15. Highly Commended, Animal Portraits, Leafy Night, by Scott Portelli. Number 16. Runner-up, Plants and Fungi, Nature's Eatable Arctic Gold, by Auden Reichardson. Number 17. Winner. Underwater, Red in Red, by Georg Nyes. Number 18. Runner-up, Animal Portraits, Last Embrace, by Roy Gallitz. Number 19. Winner. Human in Nature, The King of the Ocean, by Javier Murcia. Number 20. Runner-up, Nature of Delage Landon, Flying Over a Pastel Rainbow, by Ronald Zimmerman. Number 21. Runner-up, Underwater, Dolphin's Home, by Dimitri Koch. Number 22. Winner. Youth, Beautiful World, by Levi Fitz. Number 23. Highly Commended, Plants and Fungi, Inside a Sequoia, by Huge Fuertes. Number 24. Highly Commended, Other Animals, We Are Hanging on the Web, by Saba Derici. Number 25. Runner-up, Mammals, Young Wolf, Canis lupus, by R. Udris. Number 26. Highly Commended, Human in Nature, The Hand That Feeds, by Andrew Upton. Number 27. Runner-up, Landscape, The Prow, by Andrea Pazzi. Number 28. Highly Commended, Nature of Delage Landon, Bluebells and Beaches, by Richard Barrow. Number 29. Runner-up, Black and White, Yin and Yang, by Gheorghe Popa. Number 30. Highly Commended, Black and White, Shortness of Breath, by Saba Derici. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and click on the bell icon for more content.